Hello guys, do you want to know how to make question and answer visible on Google Business Profile? Because if your question and answer is visible on Google Business Profile, your customer trust increases. Okay, so do you want to do that? Let's see how we do it. Okay.
One profile, okay? Sound comfort sharing aid clinic in Rohini, New Delhi. There are 45 questions, but it is not visible directly. Whatever the question which we have, it's not visible, right? Now, what we need to do? And so this is one. And if you go and type digital Dhanu, here the question and answer are visible, right? So what is the reason why this question answer is being visible, whereas this one is not visible? Even though there are 45 questions, or if I go give you share you another business profile, again this one is also not visible, right? If I go to the Gitanjali Enterprise, you will see here it is visible. So the hack is very simple. When you open the question answer, there should be at least 4 or 5 thumbs up. 4 or 5 thumbs up. Simple. This one will start getting visible. Okay, so let me try this out in front of you. So there are 45 questions here, and what I'm going to do here is that let me try with different email IDs. So one I will do from this top 3 rechargeable hearing aid. Which are the top 3 rechargeable hearing aid? I'm just putting that as thumbs up. Then I'm going ahead with the other one, and I'm not sure if this will work or not, but let me try it out in front of you. Okay, this one, which is the top 3 rechargeable hearing aid. Again, I have done thumbs up. 2 thumbs up is done, and I'll give thumbs up from here as well. And then I'm going to some other email ID. So 2 thumbs up is already done. Let me try with the third one and check it out. And I will like this one as well. Closing up and just refreshing it out.
And here you go, live. The moment I gave 3 thumbs up, the question answer is visible now. Look at this. On this email ID, Sound Comfort Sharing at Clinic in Rohini, here it's not visible. I mean, here it's visible, this one. The other question are not visible. The moment I give 3 thumbs up, it started showing up. Okay.
If I just minimize it and I close it, check it out. Since the page is not refreshed, same page. The page is not refreshed. It's not visible. Let me refresh this page for you in front of you, and it will be visible. See here. It is visible now. Right? So this is exactly how we do it. Similarly, if I just minimize it and go here, still you are not able to see because the page is not. So see 45, same thing. Sound Comfort Hearing Aid Clinic in Rohini. The moment I refresh it, it is visible here. Sorted. So this is how you make the question and the answer, the most important question and the answer, visible in front on your Google Business Profile knowledge panel. Hope you liked the video. If yes, just give the thumbs up. This really increases your customers' confidence. Okay. If yes, then like it, share it, subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question related to Google Business File in the world, just ask your question, and I'm sure I'm going to create a video on your question, and you will get benefited. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.